Hey everybody, today I'm going to be making a super simple, delicious, tasty and nutritious recipe. It is a lentil bolognese and it's available on the Knorr Whatsfordinner 21-day menu plan. So all you have to do is go on to www.knorr-whatsfordinner.co.za and download the plan, and this is today's recipe. It is amazing. And this is the secret tool. It is your dry cooking sauce, your spaghetti bolognese one from Knorr. So you're going to need a packet of that. And then a lot of these ingredients we're going to have in our house at the moment. So most of us have onions, tomatoes, lentils in tins. You can soak your own lentils, or you can just simply rinse your lentils out of the tin, whatever is quickest and easiest for you. I have taken the liberty of quickly preparing the mash. You're simply going to peel your sweet potatoes and then chop them into rough chunks. You can steam them or you can boil them with a little bit of salt in the water. And then once nice and soft, you're going to mash them till smooth. And so my butternut mash is actually ready already. Right, so first step is to fry the onions until golden brown. Once your veggies are nice and soft, you're simply going to add in 4 more ingredients. Your water, your Knorr dry cooking sauce spaghetti bolognese, an entire packet, your tomato paste and your lentils. Stir through so that everything's mixed nicely. Turn down your heat, pop the lid on, and you're going to leave it for a further 10 minutes to thicken, and then voila! You can decide how you serve it. It can be in a different way every time. So a nice big pot for your bolognese, and then you can serve it with your big bowls of different types of starches, or you can do nice little individual portions like this one, where everybody gets their own. And voila, lentil bolognese. It freezes really well. So you can make a big pot and then freeze them in little individual containers or serving sizes of 2 or 4. And then all you have to do that day is just make your fresh starch and you're good to go.